I was never happy with my smile. When I was a kid, nobody ever had braces. Nobody had corrective dental surgery. Through the years, I've had a beard and a full beard and mustache. It was by my choice, but it was camouflage. I was never happy with my smile. It's been less than a week, and the way I feel, it's like the weight that's been lifted off my back, a load that I've been carrying. I'm so much more comfortable with myself. If anything, I just regret that I didn't do it years and years ago. It's the biggest thing that's changed in my life at 70 years old of anything that's ever happened for me or that I did for myself. To work with Will and his staff is second to none. It's about you when you go there. It's all about you. At Winterholler Dentistry, you come in as a complete stranger and you leave as a friend of the family and leave with the smile that you never had before.